Guys, show for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the VANS Half Cab 33 DX. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the size collaboration with VANS, and it is the Half Cab 33 DX. Anaheim factory black and yellow colorway, or it's the taxi cab pack, and we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 41. And let's get unboxed. Here is right here for you. So for those that do not know about the VANS Half Cab, this is probably one of the most premier skate sneakers that VANS have made in the last, well, since VANS have been around since the early 60s. And the VANS Half Cab is, well, it's named after the skate move, the half cab. Don't ask me to do it, I can just about ride a skateboard. Sorry to you skaters watching, I know it seems like we're posers, but I mean, Chris and I can skate, but don't ask us to do any tricks because we can't, and we will fall horribly at our old age. I'm very much digressing, but you've got the half cab. You can see that it is a skate sneaker, very heavily padded. It's got that vibes, but this pair in particular, this cab pack, is a collaboration between the UK retailer Size and VANS. So what VANS have done and Size, they've taken inspiration from New York, the taxi cabs there, and it's a play on words, very playful. Half cab, obviously cab is a taxi, so it's nice to know that they've got a sense of humor there. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole. You can see the waffle patterning that is famous on a pair of VANS, and I hope I'm holding it right. There you go, and you can see it says off duty. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I had to ask Jeff to see how my hands were because I think I held it upside down. But it says off duty in that translucent colorway right there. You got a rubber wraparound midsole unit. The mud guard itself is that rubber that is famous on a pair of VANS. You know, it's there to help you reduce your abrasion, you know, when you're doing tricks and skating. The upper is made out of a suede upper, and you can go some textiles. You can see the heat pressed painted jobs right there, so you can see it around the black and grey checkerboard. The yellow suede as well. It's kind of hairy suede, nice premium look, and it makes the majority of the upper, so you can see it there in the toe box, and you can see the black patch there as well. Flat laces, and you got another pair in some plain black laces. So you got the checkerboard with the orange aglets. Middle side is kind of the same, so you got the same usage of suedes. On the lateral side, you got the half cab logo, 1992 VANS. Right there, and I think I did say this is a staple of the 1990 from the 1960s. Apologies, the half cab was made in 1992, as you can see right there. Half cab as well, stitched on. It's more of an aggressive, so you can think of the old school, and you know how that's just very nicely padded on the ankle. It's more aggressive here, ankle support. And again, it's giving you that skate look right there. Padded tongue with the half cab logo also on the inner. So in the insole, you can kind of faintly see if you look deep, and you can kind of see the New York road city maps there. And you got the VANS logo right there. Obviously, it's built for skating, so you got your nice cushioned insole right there for you. And the other colorway that this came in, I believe it was black. Yeah, it is black. So you got the black and yellow. And just before we show you the on feet, you got the classic off the wall logo on the pair, on the heels of most Vans. So you got it here on these half caps as well. This is a dope idea that Size have come up with to make their own exclusives with Vans. Nice colorway, got that story. I'm a big fan of black and yellow. I do, I mean, if you guys know me on a personal note, I follow the German team Borussia Dortmund, so you know this goes well. And you know, I've loved a pair of Vans. We love Vans here at Oneupreviewz. This second to the Converse, most diplomatic shoe you can wear. Again, I know if you're a hardcore skater, you might think everyone who wears it poses, but you know, let people wear what they want to wear. All that said, I'm going to show you what these look like on. So roll out footage of me trying these half cab taxi pack on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Vans fit. Usually I'm at 8 or a 7.5, but for me, the 7.5 is what I recommend. So that would be going true to size, because I am a UK size 7.5. They're really cool, very nice on. They're a bit tight though, so around the sides here, at the top, you know, where the ankle support is just a bit tight for me. Maybe I just had to have a couple wears in, but it feels very nice and supportive. If I was skating, I can rest assured that, you know, these shoes aren't going to fall off whilst I'm doing an ollie or doing a stair gap. But yeah, very nice colorway as well. Yellow, black, classic look. Shout out Wiz Khalifa. Wiz Khalifa, we know you're watching. Big shout out to you, my man. But yeah, really nice colorway. I like it in the checkerboard laces, as you can see. But you can change it again if you're not feeling it. You got the choice of a black pair of laces also. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.